welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be doing a first impressions and a honest review video on the Esmi Skin Minerals Skin Starter Kit. So it looks a little bit like this. Isn't it glorious? Okay, so we've got the Uncomplicated Cleanser, the Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum, the Hyaluronic Hydrating Booster Mask, a little mask brush as well. Oh, here it is. And also we've got two little sample liquid foundations. They're maximum coverage. They're mineral foundations, and one is in the shade 1 to 2 and one is in the shade 2 to 3. So I'm just assuming that these are lighter and darker shades, which is great because I'm right in the middle of my tan, so I may need to use both. So you may or may not know, but I am all about self-love and self-care. So that's caring for the mind, caring for the heart, and also caring for what's on the outside. And I think skincare absolutely plays such a pivotal role in your self-confidence and your self-esteem, because, you know, you want to look in the mirror and like what you see, and I think that really comes from caring for your skin first. So there's a bunch of cleansers out there that you can get. However, sometimes they tend to strip you from your natural oils in your face, which is something you don't want to do because then it just dries you out. Sometimes they exfoliate your face, which is not great if you have a tan on it, like me often. That's why my cleansing makeup wipes are not fantastic, but they're cheap, so I do it. So I'm really excited to have this one because this is the Uncomplicated Cleanser. So the cleanser is beneficial and suitable for all skin types, which is amazing because shopping for a cleanser is such an effort. So it's really great that it does work for all skin types, and I think that could also be because it's actually got camellia leaf extract and aloe vera in it, so then it calms and protects the skin, so it's not going to be drying it out too much. It's actually going to be really hydrating. So I am really excited to see how soft and supple my face can look. So I like to cleanse my face both in the morning and in the afternoon. In the morning I do it because overnight I tend to get really hot, and so I start sweating throughout the night. I don't know how gross that is, but here in Australia I feel like that's a really normal thing to happen, and so often in the morning my face is super oily and it just feels dirty, and so I love to cleanse my face just so that I've got a nice clean base to put any other further products or makeup on for the rest of the day. And then at night I like to do it obviously to take all the excess dirt and makeup and whatnot off of my face that I've developed over the day. And these guys say to use this twice for makeup. So the first time I'm assuming to take the makeup off, the second time to really get in and clean the face. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to try it twice since I've got makeup on, and yeah, we'll see how I go. Alright, so I've currently got a full face of makeup on, and we are going to use the Uncomplicated Cleanser to get that off. We're going to do 2 layers, and we're going to do a little pea-sized block on our hand. Yeah, that's about a pea size. Maybe a little bigger, but that's okay. We're doing 2 layers anyway. So just mixing that into my hands, and we're going to put that on this makeup. This is actually one of my harder foundations to get off because it is a little more full coverage. So it's a bit of a test for this one, I think. Let's do the second coat now, I think. And then we'll rinse it all off together. Alright, let's get this off. I'm just going to rinse this with water. Not bad at all. Wow. Alright. This is how we're looking. Pretty cleansed. I'll give some more light. All my makeup's off. Like, I've got just a little bit of darkness down here from my mascara, but that always happens. And if I just put a little bit more on my eyes, then I may have been able to get rid of that. But for the 2 layers and then rinsing it off, I think that is fantastic. My skin already feels so smooth. I like it already. So next we've got one of the Esme skin treats, which is the Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum. I am really excited to try this, mostly because it's just got the word hydrating in it. And my face at the moment has not been that. It has been pretty dry just due to the weather, and it has been a shock to the system. So this is what it looks like on the outside. I might just take it out of its little box. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it is so gorgeous. Okay, so the hydrating serum is perfect for all skin types, and this time they mean like dry to oily, but also young to mature. So literally anyone can be using this. So I think that is really awesome. It has got 4 important ingredients. Where are they? So, bear with me, I'm not sure if I can pronounce these properly. Okay, so they are niacinamide for skin restoration and for maintenance. Then there's hyaluronic acid for complete skin hydration and improvement in fine lines and wrinkles. That, I mean, I don't have wrinkles, but I don't know if you guys get it, but I get lines along here from my makeup from smiling all the time, and I wonder if this could help with that. Like, it might just be minor, but I think that could be cool. And then we've also got the aloe vera for dry, damaged and compromised skin, and also the allantoin to protect and condition your skin. That just sounds so good. Like, that just makes me so excited to use this, knowing that it can actually assist with all of that. It fights dehydration, which is great leading into summer, because I think we're all going to be feeling that, and our skin is going to be feeling that. And it's animal cruelty free, it's vegan, it's paraben free. It's also suitable for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. So I feel like women who are in that stage of life are probably like, they've got so much on their plate that they don't even think about looking after their skin, and so this is great because all you have to do is massage it into your face and you're done. Like, you don't even have to wash it off. So that's amazing. The hyaluronic acid actually holds 1,000 times its weight in water. So I'm assuming that that's where all that hydration comes from. So just thinking about that makes me think like my face is going to be looking amazing literally within like 2 days of using this. Okay, so next we're heading in with the Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum, and we are supposed to use the dropper to apply a pearl-sized amount. Not entirely sure what that means, but I'm assuming maybe 1 drop. So let's try that, hey? Oh, that's a bit of a pearl, maybe a little more. And more, just because I want more hydration. I feel like maybe my pearl wasn't large enough. So I'm just going to pop a little bit more. Just over here. And also a little over here. Just because these are my dry areas. And I don't think I got enough product out. Oh, it feels so nice and smooth. Like, you can tell it's definitely not exfoliating your skin. It's so hydrating already. I can already feel it. Like, I feel like my face is just becoming a little more plump. They also say to pair this with the Hyaluronic Hydrating Booster Mask for skin plumping and rejuvenation. So that's really awesome. I feel like the order is go cleanser, then the serum, then the mask, and then the foundation if you're going to put some foundation on. So the mask looks like this. Oh, there's more to it. Oh wow, okay. So it actually looks like this. And I've also been given a face mask brush, which is so cute. I love that. I actually don't even have a face mask brush. I always just use my hands, and then it always seems to get a little messy. So I'm very excited to have one of these. So the Hyaluronic Hydrating Booster Mask also has those same ingredients that were in the serum. And so they are the niacinamide for the skin restoration and maintenance, the allantoin for protection and conditioning your skin, also the hyaluronic acid for all that hydration, and also the aloe vera for dry and compromised skin, just so that we can get your skin back to happy days. There's even vitamin B3 in here, which heals the moisture barrier in your skin, and so therefore it's like perfect for sensitive, dry, dehydrated and oily problematic skin. And yeah, it's a gentle mask, but it's a powerful mask, and it like intensely hydrates your skin. Oh, like literally just thinking about this is so exciting. I can't wait to try it. This one's also suitable for all skin types, and apparently you can wear this overnight. Just do a thin layer and you can leave it on overnight. How amazing is that? I've never even thought of that. Often the face masks that I use, if I put them on for too long, they start to like burn my face. So considering this is a hydrating mask, I highly doubt that would ever happen, because it's like trying to do the opposite of that. So that's amazing that you can actually leave it on overnight. Often we like have no time for putting face masks on. Like that's the last thing, I mean, it's not the last thing we want to do, but it's the last thing that we actually think about doing, because there's so much else going on with life. So that's really cool that you can just put it on and go to sleep. That is so cool. I am just going to put a thicker amount on though this time, because I'm not going to go to sleep with it. They've actually got a nourishing mask as well, that you can work with this at the same time. So you just patchwork them, so you put them in different places. This one is for more of your T-zone, and the nourishing one is for your fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, anyway, gonna go try this one and let you know what I think. Okay, so next we're going to feed the skin with the Hyaluronic Hydrating Booster Mask. It does say just to leave it on for your desired amount of time, so I'm thinking maybe 10 minutes. I don't usually keep my masks on for too long, but also like the ingredients in this sound amazing, so I kind of do want to leave it on longer. I guess I'll just listen to my skin and see how it feels. Alright, I will see you guys in around 10 minutes. So this is what my skin's looking like. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. I had a couple of little pimples up here this morning that I can tell you they were way more red than what they are now. Like you can barely even see them, but they are up there. Oh my goodness, literally everything just feels so like replenished. Like everything's so plump. I feel like I've got the face I had when I was 10 years old. Jeez. And lastly, we've got the two little mini liquid foundation samples, which I am going to give a go. They've got shea butter in them. Let me read this out because I don't want to get this wrong either. There's shea butter, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, hey our friend, and allantoin and niacinamide. So some of the similar products that have been, ingredients that have been in the other products. So that's amazing to have a foundation that actually hydrates your skin. I have always seen it as like you put a primer on to hydrate your skin and protect it from your foundation, because your foundation is always so drying, or the opposite, it can be very oily and it can, like, you know, cause you to break out. So I think that is amazing that it is a hydrating foundation that is actually going to give you healthy skin. And so you're literally going to have a healthy glow. It's not just going to look like you have a healthy glow, you're actually going to have one. So I think that is really cool. They are also SPF 15, so we've got sun protection, great leading into summer as well. They also nourish and condition your skin. They repair your skin. Like, this is amazing. It's a foundation. Like, I can't believe this. I really am thinking I'm going to be getting the larger sizes of these, because just like, I haven't even seen them yet, but just thinking about it really makes me want to have them in my life. So apparently you only need a really small amount to get maximum coverage on the skin, so that's really awesome. And also it's not meant to feel heavy on the skin, so that's really great. I hate when I feel like I'm caking on makeup just because I want that full coverage. So I am keen to try that out. It's also really good at covering redness and any pigmentation in your skin, and also just evening out your skin tone. So yeah, I am really excited to try this. I'm going to go ahead now and try these out as well, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright, so now we're going to try the foundation. They're so cute. I'm thinking I want to mix the two shades, and so I'm going to just pop some little strips on my face, and we'll blend it in with the Beauty Blender and pop some translucent powder over the top and see how it's looking and how it's feeling. So for starters, holy moly, that is such full coverage for the tiny amount of foundation that I actually put on. Wow, it's also like the perfect skin tone, so that's great. Oh my goodness, it's even like, it's like somewhat, oh, I've got an eyelash. It's like somewhat powdery, and so this like goes against everything I've ever believed in, but I almost don't even want to put a translucent powder over it because it seems like it gives that flawless effect, like it's already powdered, but it also gives like such a healthy glow. To be quite honest, I didn't expect this to look as good as it did. I expected it to feel as good as it does, but I didn't expect it to look this good. Just because it's skincare, you know, it's not a makeup line, it's a skincare line. So I did have some minor doubts about this one. Oh my god, I can't believe this. So thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I sure did. I'm so impressed by these products. If you want to get them for yourself, I'm going to pop the link here and also in the description box below. And yeah, make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Bye!